how you can make your first $1,000 per week or day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now in this video, I'm going to show exactly step by step how you can do this and what is the behind the scenes exact strategy so that you can have $1,000 days or weeks. Okay. So first of all, you can find me later on my Instagram over here, right? So I share everything here. You can DM me, you can message me, and I will personally help you out. Now let's go straight into Clickbank, right? So as you can see over here, this offer is in crypto market, right? It's paying almost $1,200 per sale, which is really, really great, right? You can see over here, $822. Now imagine just making one sale per day or one sale per week. Let's be realistic if you're a beginner, which is really, really doable. But of course, you have to understand the bigger picture of how marketing works. Okay, so let me go straight into it. Let me not waste your time. Okay, so you can see over here, commission is really, really big. It's high ticket. Now, it depends how you promote low ticket and high ticket products online, right? Very, very important. It's big difference, right? The way you promote offers for $50 to $100 and the way you promote them for $1,000 to $3,000, it's way, way, way different. Now let me go straight into the strategy. Now, first of all, if no one told you before, right? The first thing you have to understand is what are the core emotions of your market. Every market has a core emotions to it. For example, in financial space and cryptocurrency space is certainty, right? Humans or people, we want to be certain. So they want to know how to get this coin will get you results, or it's all about deeper emotion, which is called certainty, right? And once you understand that, you will be able to build up the structure for your Google ads or Facebook ads. And how you build your ads is not about targeting, it's not about only the words, but it's also about understanding the market at a deeper level, what language patterns to use, what timeline to use, right? And how to get in front of the buyers, which is very, 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 very important, right? You don't want to only, like most of gurus teaching you on Clickbank, when you buy their course, to put some weird ass images on Facebook so that you're going to get curiosity clicks. You see, there is only curiosity. People are curious, but there is no buyer's intent, which you need plus intent to make the sale. All right. So let me show you this. Let's do the math, right? Let's do the math. Let's say you get only one sale a week. One sale a week, not sale a day, per week. You are making over $4,600 per month. Right? $4,600 US profit per month if you're only making one sale per week. Let's take it further. Let's say you became 2 sales per week, right? Which is not bad, which is also not over the top, right? It's not a hyped up thing. Let's say 2 sales per week, right? And you are at over 8,000, almost 9,000. Let's say $9,200. Yes, let's say $9,200 a month. Only 2 sales per week, you see, not per day, per week. You can do the math by yourself, how much you can make, right? But you can see the potential here, right? You can see the potential once you know, okay, what it takes. Now let's say you spend on ads to make, let's say here, okay, let's say a round number, 10K a month, right? If you want to make $10,000 per month, let's say how much you have to spend on Google ads or Facebook ads to make this number. You can spend all the way from $200 to $400 to obtain $1,200 sales, which is not bad. You're making $800 profit for for the money you spend on Facebook or Google ads. Now, how you structure the whole ad anatomy, right, of Facebook or Google ads, it's really important. Now, let me show you this, okay? Let me share this secret with you as well, right? Right? Let's say this, okay? Social media and Google. It's a big difference. Google ads, Facebook ads. Why? Because people go to, let's say, on their phone to scroll on Facebook, not to be sold, right? So the structure and language patterns you're using and targeting must be very, very different. And your also pre-sale page, landing page must be different from what you're doing on Google. Why? Because Google is solely for people to get educated before they buy, right? Or they go there to buy, so you get a sale, right? Mostly they go and click on an ad and buy because they already know they're looking for the solutions to their pains and problems, all right? So it's very easy to understand. Now you have to write your ads in a structured level, right? So that you can, the main point of Facebook ads is to put them into the problem state. And then once you go to the landing page, they go to the solution state, and then they get on the VSL where they buy the product on Clickbank checkout page. So that's how affiliate marketing works. You can go deeper and deeper levels, okay, of psychology and understanding how marketing online works. So as you're watching this video right now, right, you have two options, right? You can watch free YouTube videos, you can procrastinate, you can wait. If you lost money before with different courses, it's not your fault, right? But all you have to do is you need to have someone who will help you step by step, one-on-one, and hand holding you along the way. Because let's be honest, right? Maybe you have in the past experience like myself, you bought some course, no one helped you, you got stuck, you didn't make money, you lost money, right? And then you gave up because you were stuck. And I understand that. I used to be there, I know how it feels. But now you have a chance, right? When you discover something new, right? New way of doing things, you can have someone who will help you along the way, all right? So, look, why most of people are afraid to spend money on Facebook ads or Google ads is because they don't understand that it's not about algorithm, it's about understanding your audience on a deeper level, right? We have low emotional states and high emotional states in the market. Each audience is different. There is core emotions to each audience. Let's say that average order value on Clickbank is, let's say, is $1,000, right? Let's say like this. It's 1,000 USD. When you get paid, you earn $1,000 per sale, right? So one person will buy the whole freaking funnel. They buy also the upsell. So why would you be scared to spend money? If you know what you're doing, right? Once you see the bigger pictures, once we work together, it will become natural to you, right? Because you can become someone who is skilled at doing this, and you can spend only 30 minutes to 1 hour per day doing this. It doesn't require you a lot of time. You don't need to build many websites. It can be done with you and for you, right? But only if you're serious. If you really want to generate those results on Clickbank or MaxWeb as a pro super affiliate, okay? Meaning making those $1,000 sales. If that's what you want to do, right, and become someone, then once we start working together, you'll quickly begin to realize, heck, I can make this first sale in a week. You made 2 sales in first week, you make $2,400 profit in first week, then you are on your way, right, to break even and making even more profits, right? So that's how it works, all right? But you need to have someone who will help you and guide you along the way, right? So you can have a result like I showed you earlier. So as you watch this video, what you can do next, okay? You can connect with me one-on-one, you can subscribe, okay? Subscribe to YouTube channel, comment below, all the links to my WhatsApp, okay, my phone, Facebook, Instagram, my email are in the description under this video, right? But do that only if you're serious, right? Like, if you're not prepared to invest in yourself, do not reach out to me, okay? Because I don't want you to waste your time. So what you need to have, if you have minimum, let's say 500 to let's say 6,000 US dollars, yeah, then we can do something, okay? Now I can show you how to make it, but how much you make is entirely up to you, okay? So that's entirely up to you. Now, for example, let's say that someone would start with $5,000, or let's say, I don't know, $2,000, right? And in the next week you're making $4,000, $5,000 back, right? Would that be worth for you to get actually the support, right? And help with something that will help you to scale up, right? So that's how it works. I've shown you, right? It's about understanding audience on a deeper level than anyone else. And then I can show exactly how to incorporate that for you. Exactly what templates look. Templates, right? All the templates you're getting done for you, that you can structure them yourself, and you get Zoom call, one-on-one support, right? And also hand-holding, someone that I can look over and show you exactly we are doing it together as we go, ad campaigns on Google or Facebook, and structure it. And you will know exactly how to create your images. You don't have to outsource that. It's all done for you. And I'll also show you how you do it, what software I use. So you don't have to spend a lot of money or waste on freelancers to do that job for you, right? Many people will charge you $2,000 just for a quiz funnel, professional quiz funnel I'm talking, not just, because remember, it's about functional questions, right? You can do simple $100 landing page from freelancer, but it will not convert. It won't it won't convert to the sales on Clickbank, right? Why? Because those freelancers have no idea about your dating audience, crypto audience, casino gambling audience, or let's say health and wellness audience, right? Each has different core emotions and each has different problems and each use different language patterns, okay? So the job of the Facebook ad is to put people to the problem state, because they don't wake up and go on Facebook to look for solutions. They don't do that, right? So they have to see your ad, and your ad copy has to put them into the problem state. And once they are on the landing page, they go to the solution state if you do the job correctly, right? Structure is very important. So as you're watching this video, if you want to get this done for you, if you want to have support, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the links in the description, connect with me, but only if you're serious, if you're really, really serious to get results.